to be my son. But he is old enough to be a senator, and we are very proud he's here with us. Let's hear from Senator-elect Benigno Bam Aquino.
Thank you very much. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening, everyone. Naku, masyado bang busog o gutom pa rin? Magandang gabi po. Walang energy. Kulang pa ng Johnny Walker. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening, everyone. Hindi ko na ito hahabaan. Alam ko po mas interesado kayong manalo sa ating singing contest. Baka lumaban po si Senator Coco Pimentel mamaya doon sa singing contest. Lagot na po kayo. But I'd just like to thank, first of all, si Senator Frank Drilon for all the care, all the support. This particular office, lahat po ng mga tumutulong. I was only able to go here only about 3 or 4 times. But alam ko po, in all of those 90 days, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho ng mga kasamahan natin dito. Kaya mula po sa puso ko, maraming salamat. Sa ating mga kasamahan sa media, I apologize for saying the same speech 95 times. Alam ko na memorize nyo na yun at nakaukit na yun sa mga utak ninyo. Sana po in the next few days makalimutan nyo na yung mga speech namin at mga gimmick namin at mga kung ano mga ginagawa po namin. We hope that in the next years to come, we can continue our good relationship, and we hope that we can continue to work together for our country. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, and let's enjoy the night with Jambi's Johnny Walker Black. Thank you very much.